The Dualtron Fingerprint lock by Minimotors is the perfect accessory to add a minimum of security to your Dualtron electric scooter. We will be demonstrating the installation on a fixed handlebar design such as the Dualtron Mini. Step 1. Loosen the 3mm hex screws holding the Minimotors Eye Throttle and the Throttle Holder. Step 2. Using a 20cm long T-Handle Hex Key, we reach underneath the handlebar grip and spray oil to help slide the grip off the handlebar. Step 3. Using a 4mm hex key, remove the 4 bolts holding the handlebar joint to remove the throttle. After removing the throttle, slide the fingerprint lock onto the right handlebar and replace the throttle back on top of the fingerprint. Step 5. Reattach the handlebar joint. Step 6. Reattach the rubber handlebar grip. Step 7. Retighten the 2 lower screws of the throttle holder. Make sure you have access to the 2 upper screws of the eye throttle for easy removal in the next step. Step 8. Retighten the fingerprint screw just enough to keep it from moving around. Step 9. Remove both 3mm hex screws holding the eye throttle. Step 10. Remove the back plate of the eye throttle. And remove the red wire jumper from the Eye Throttle PCB. Step 11. Drill a 3mm diameter hole in the bottom of the back panel. Step 12. Insert the Minimotors fingerprint connector in the back of the eye throttle and route both cables through the holes properly. Reattach the screws. Turn on and the fingerprint should flash a blue light. Now the fingerprint is ready to be programmed.